And one last thing that I wanted to mention about applying the layer styles is that sometimes it's nice to apply the layer style before you even start painting. So here I've got a demonstration that I did with some leopard brushes and some of my Instaglam layer styles. I think I'm using, or no, I think this might be Instaglam and then Creative Couture for the black. But I went ahead and applied the layer styles to this one over here. And so now I'm just going to paint in that gold. And as you can see, it can really give you more an idea of your design and how it will look finished if you go ahead and apply that layer style before you even start painting. And I'm just going to change my brush and then paint in some of this crystally sort of thing. And as you can see, it makes creating really fun, and you can really get an idea of how it's going to look finally. So that's just a little tip from me to you. Don't hesitate to go ahead and put a layer style on the layer before you start painting. And that way you get the immediate satisfaction of testing out that effect. And then once you've painted it out, you can easily switch up the layer style and try out a different gold or a different crystallized effect. So it just makes creating really easy and really fun.